So you ready to go, Johnson?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we have break number 1796, which was yesterday's break. Let's get 10, take 16, 17 inner case break.
Oh, you really?
I am live here with John.
Oh, yeah.
Are you ready, John?
Yeah.
We're ready to pull some nice SPA hits.
Yeah. You're gonna do it again?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna wait. So you're ready?
Yep. Going.
Can I ask you something?
Nope.
You know what I'm gonna ask you, huh? You know it? Whoa. Want me to ask you something?
Nope. Shut up.
Don't go.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
Nice start. Oh, I like that black card.
Can't wait to have a women's blood, huh?
Yeah.
What did you read one?
I don't know.
What did I purchase that one?
I don't know.
Not sure.
What? I don't know. Tonight?
You know
I
shit?
don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Hey, thanks. What's my name?
What's my name?
Okay, so box number 1, we're going to start with the Future Watch Early Irish Liquid Unis. Christian Vorak. Spectrum Nashville Predators, PK Subban. Young Gun for Columbus, Lucas Sidlak. Silver Case for the Toronto Maple Leafs, William Neander. Carter Otten, St. Louis Blues. Authentic Moment, San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Young Gun for the Flyers, Roman Yubilov. Silver Case, Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Stace. Season highlight, Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Sam Jani, Operatic Update, Columbus. Victor Stabler, Carolina Hurricanes. Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Manta. Ottawa Senators, Mike Condon. San Jose for the Boston Bruins, Torrey Krug. New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. The San Jose Predators, Leon Draisaitl. Next, Young Gun Acetate. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Zach Hyman. So Zach Hyman, Young Gun Acetate. And we have the Montreal PK Subban. So that was box number 1. Alright, box 2. That is number 2. Chicago Blackhawks, Brian Campbell. Silver Case for Montreal, Michael Sergachev. Young Gun, Cole Schneider, Buffalo Sabres. Season highlight, Mark Scheifele for Winnipeg. Boston Bruins, Tim Cheller. New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Spectrum for Dallas, Jamie Benn. Authentic Moment, Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. Next, we have a Silver Case for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Florida Panthers, Colton Xavier. Wayne Gretzky for the Edmonton Oilers. Vancouver Canucks, Marcus Granlund. Patrick Kane, Chicago Blackhawks. René Bourque, Colorado Avalanche. Future Watch Spectrum for the Florida Panthers, Michael Matheson. Spectrum Autograph, Winnipeg Jets, Nicolas Ehlers. Future Watch out of 999 for the Arizona Coyotes, Dylan Strome. And we have a Future Watch for Dallas, Ezra Lindell. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Alright, so third box. We have Colorado Avalanche, Patrick Rukosh. Future Watch out of 999. Colorado Avalanche, and Giegler. Authentic Moments, Sidney Crosby, is for Penguins. Spectrum for Chicago, Patrick King. Montreal, Alex Galchenyuk. Authentic Moment, Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Next, what do we have? Florida Panthers, Roberto Luongo. Calgary Flames, Alex Chiasson. Arkansas Panathinaikos, Chicago. Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. New York Islanders, Dennis Seidenberg. Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Young Gun for the New Jersey Devil, Nick Lappin. Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puljujarvi. Jamie McGinn, Arizona Coyotes. Season highlight for Boston, Tuukka. Great White North for the New York Islanders, and Julad. And we have a Future Watch of 999 for the Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Mata. Alright, so box number 4, we start with Authentic Moment for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Future Watch out of 999, Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Young Gun for Pittsburgh, Jane Kunzel. Spectrum, New York Rangers, Derek Stepan. Silver Seas, Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. Next, what do we have? Silver Seas for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. St. Louis Blues, Carter Otten. Authentic Moment, Connor McDavid, Edmonton Oilers. Chicago Blackhawks, Marinosa. Joseph Kamauza, Anaheim Ducks. Victor Stahlberg, Carolina Hurricane. Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. We have a set of the time for the Boston Bruins, David Backes. Silver Seas, New York Islanders, John Tavares. Silver Seas, New York Rangers. Did I say New York Rangers for John Tavares?
Yep.
New York Islanders, John Tavares. New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Spectrum Future Watch, Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. New York Rangers, Brendan Peary. Dallas Stars, Logan Kapikowski. And our last hit is the Future Watch Auto Patch out of 100. Numbering is 87 out of 100 for the Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Manta. Right, so we're now opening box number 5. Nice break for the Detroit Red Wings. So, alright, so box number 5, we have a Colton Sager for the Florida Panthers. Authentic Moment, Amateur Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Columbus Blue Jackets, Zach Werenski. New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Future Watch out of 99 for the San Jose Sharks, Kevin Laban. Spectrum for Pittsburgh, Evgeny Malkin. Silver Seas, Detroit Red Wings, Henrik Zetterberg. Silver Skis, Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Ottawa Senators, Mike Condon. Authentic Moment, New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Season Highlight, Ryan Getzlaf, Anaheim Ducks. Chicago Blackhawks, Brian Campbell. Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. Columbus, Sam Gagner. Future Watch Spectrum for Columbus, Dalibor Bjorkstrand. Next, we have a Global Choreography for the Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. For the Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. And we have a Yangon for the Washington Capitals, Jacob Vrana. Alright, box number 6. Box number 6, we have Spectrum for the Florida Panthers. Jaromir Jagr. Young Guns for Edmonton, Matthew Benning. Carolina Hurricanes, Sebastian Aho. St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Boston Bruins, Tim Chowder. Young Guns for Colorado, AJ Greer. Flyers, Travis Konecny. Calgary, Matthew Tkachuk. Colorado, René Book. Vancouver, Marcus Rowland. Colorado, Patrick Warkosh. Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Future Watch Spectrum for Columbus, Tony Milano. Future Watch out of 19 for the Panthers, Michael Matheson. Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. Toronto Maple Leafs, Mitch Marner. And we have the Future Watch Auto Patch. 28 out of 100 for the New Jersey Devil, Miles Wood. Box 7. Calgary Flames, Alex Chiasson. New York Islanders, Dennis Seidenberg. Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Young Gun from Montreal, Joel Andlin. New Jersey Devil, Pavel Zeka. Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Spectrum, Carolina Hurricane, Jeff Skinner. Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Arizona Coyotes, Dennis Strom. Arizona Coyotes, Jamie Mickey. Our Chicago Blackhawks, Artemi Panarin. Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. New York Rangers, Brendan Taylor. Chicago Blackhawks, Marinosa. We have the Silver Skates Gold, 17 out of 99 for the New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Battle Stars, Yuri Kopikowski. Future Watch Spectrum for the Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Future Watch out of 999, LA Kings, Nick Dowd. And we have the Future Watch out of 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Zach Hyman. Alright, and the last box. Alright, so box number 8, last box to break. What do we have? Carolina Hurricane, Victor Stalberg. Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey. Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. Toronto Maple Leafs, William Nylander. St. Louis Blues, Carter Hutton. Future Watch out of 99 for the Florida Panthers, Dennis Malgin. Silver Skates, Chicago Blackhawks, Jonathan Toews. Future Watch Spectrum, New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Future Watch out of 99 Carolina Hurricane, Daniel Alshore. Future Watch out of 99 New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Spectrum, St. Louis Blues, Vladimir Tarasenko. Silver Skates, Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Manta. San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Young Gun for the Flyers, Laban Lyubimov. Season highlight, Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Mike Condon, Ottawa Senators. And you have a Sam Gagner for the Columbus Blue Jackets. So there you go, guys. We're done with yesterday. We'll be back in 20 minutes with today's break. So thanks, guys. We'll be back.